Hey, what's up, YouTubers? So, what do you think of the new camera I got? I might put a picture somewhere, but yeah, I'm gonna start filming with this camera right here. It's a flip camcorder, HD, which is pretty awesome, and it's got like the widescreen stuff. So when I'm gonna get to whatever I want to film, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. So subscribe, rate 5 stars, comment, and post a video response down there somewhere. Yeah, and I think to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Click the button. Yeah, and comment down here also with the video response, and rate 5 stars for the HD camera. So just gonna have fun with the camera. Post this up on YouTube. It's awesome. Oh yeah, and it's got a USB to easy plug-in. Just got it today, so brand new. Well, see you, YouTube. Oh yeah, and if you see me somewhere, say hi. I'm out of here. It's